Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Pooja Jaiswani. Today I am here with bathroom vocabulary. Yes, this video is helpful for small kids, those who are watching different things in their bathroom but they don't know their names. So have a look on it. First, bathtub. This tub you have seen in your bathroom. This is known as bathtub. Next, blow dryer. This is used to dry your hairs. बाल सुखाने के लिए इसका यूज किया जाता है. Next, comb. Next, this is cotton swab or cotton buds. This is used to clean our ears. Next, deodorant. Next, drain. Next, electric razor. Next, tap. Next, hairbrush. Next, hairspray. Next, lipstick. Next, makeup. Next, mirror. Next, nail clipper. Next, nail polish. Next, perfume. Next, plunger. Next, razor. Next, razor blade. Next, bathmat. Next, scale. Next, shampoo. Next, shaving cream. Next, shower. Next, sink. Next, soap. Next, sponge. Next, tissues. Next, toilet. Next, toilet paper. Next, toothbrush. Next, toothpaste. Next, towel. Next, tweezers. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay connected. Friends, आपको मेरा वीडियो कैसा लगा अपने कमेंट्स के साथ ज़रूर बताइएगा. होप ये वीडियो सभी किड्स के लिए हेल्पफुल हो. मेक अ मैक्सिमम यूज ऑफ इट.